A man's mind once stretched by a new idea never returns to its original dimensions, is a quote attributed to Oliver Wendell Holmes, meaning that once someone encounters a new and significant concept, their perspective is permanently altered, and they can never fully go back to their previous way of thinking. If you're an individual who are looking to earn extra income working from home online, after you've seen the new viral vending machine in action, you'll never look at earning extra income from home online quite the same way, ever again. The virtual affiliate funnel system not only ensures you know and understand why it is we do what we do, it breaks down why you should be doing it too. Once you understand why you're doing what you're doing, it makes using and earning through the funnel system simple, easy, and fun. To learn more about becoming one of our new Viral Vending Machine affiliate partners, visit TheNewViralVendingMachine.com, where we'll be looking forward to welcoming you as the newest member of the team.